This is Zainab, a summer intern under Lexington Company. So in today's video, we will discuss about is GST a need of the hour? So let's start. As we all know, that on 1st of July 2017 midnight, the corporate sectors were overjoyed with the implementation of this GST. At that time, they introduced GST. It was just a one indirect tax that the sectors had to pay instead of the indirect central excises, VATs, and local taxes. It was just one tax that they had to pay. Well, it was criticized at the same time, and some people were in favor, so we won't go on that path. We will discuss about the implications which and the things which occurred due to the COVID. So, the COVID second wave resulted in the slowdown of the startups for that was just beginning to reciprocate and revive after the first wave. And despite the good intentions from the various government sectors, they had suffered a lot due to the GST applicability in a manner that were completely eroded with their working capital. There was zero returns and tax, but they were not able to pay anything. Okay, so we will discuss about the 5 sectors which were mainly prohibited with this GST. So first is traveling. So as you all know, that online travel aggregators and startups, they were levied for a small amount of GST, but still they had to pay certain additional compliances, like for a GST they had to pay GST registrations in for the state in which their respective customers and supplier exist. Well, this increases the operational cost and administrative cost on public officers, and it gives an unfair advantage to operating officers which are operator officers which are operating outside India, because the officers which are in India and in the state, they had to pay. And it is also good for the suppliers who are using online support suppliers and etc. Well, this created a lot of problem. So second is electric vehicles. We all know that government is encouraging everyone to use electric vehicles, okay, but there is a lack of uniformity of the GST in EV because the customer had to pay 5% GST to the battery with the vehicle and 18% without the battery. So this is a lot of GST, is a lot of amount that someone has to pay who is using EV, because there is no such as returns right now in the COVID era, because there was totally banned or like totally shut down of traveling and all. So third is insurance. Like for every 100 rupees investment, the person had to pay 18% of GST, which is a lot more because like वो इंसान क्या इन्वेस्ट करेगा if he is giving 18% of the GST to this. And other is textile. Like in this क्या हुआ कि 1,000 रुपये में 5% का GST एप्लीकेबल हुआ, लेकिन जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि जो छोटे वाले स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं, दो स्मॉल स्टार्टअप्स, दे हैड टू स्टार्ट विद द मार्केटिंग, वेयर हाउस रेंटल्स, लॉजिस्टिक्स, courier and other fulfillment costs. So in total they had to pay the 18% GST till now. These are the small startups, and you all know that revenue right now is not as good which we are expecting. So the other is on रेस्टोरेंट्स पे क्या हुआ कि 5% का GST है, अभी बहुत कम है, बट स्टिल एट द नीड ऑफ बट दे हैड टू पे द GST फॉर द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट and the other raw materials which they are using, which is creating a lot of haphazard in that industry also. So the need of the other hour is to provide relief measures to these GST and sectors so that there will be the industry recuperate from pandemic's impact in an easier manner. Because what happened that कि अभी ये GST को एक तरफ से शट डाउन भी नहीं किया जा सकता, बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज़ अ वे ऑफ टैक्स और प्रॉफिट जो कि गवर्नमेंट का सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास वापस जाता है, विच दे यूज़ फॉर अवर रोड्स एंड हॉस्पिटल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So it cannot be struck down as we all know, but it needs a certain revisions right now. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, because right now the small MSMEs, SMSMEs, they had to pay a lot of tax on their business, on the raw materials, जितना उनके पैसे नहीं है because of the COVID situations. And even after that the government had given loan to these MSMEs like 15 to 20% that they will pay after the 3 years, and till then the interest will be paid by the government. Still right now अभी सेकेंड वेव के बाद एकदम से स्टिल सब कुछ completely shut down है. Shops are allowed to open till 9 to 5 in a certain regions, and in this hot time like in summer, people are not going outside, and sometimes like they are not even getting salary to use it to purchase anything. So GST revision is the need of the hour, I think personally. But let's see that how will this how much time will this pandemic last, and what will the cost, and let's see what will the impact will it create. Okay, thank you.